All right, hi students, this is Mr. Kuhne. I am obviously not here right now. So I just want to give you an update on your project now. For this project, you are going to be showing me that you can find the midpoint and the distance using at least two methods, but you know three. The first way you know how to do it is just using a ruler. You know how to measure, you can do this. Pretty simple. Just don't get sixteenths and inches confused with tenths in centimeters, all right? You can measure distance using a compass, where you sit down how far something is. Maybe on the map it's like 200 feet or something, and you fit this to it, and then you can kind of move it along, like, so there's 200 feet, move it up, there's 200 feet, move it up, there's 200 feet, etc. You can find distance using the distance formula. x1 minus x2 squared, y1 minus y2 squared, add them, square root, and simplify. That's right, that formula. That's in the back of your book if you need it. Might need a calculator too. You also know how to find midpoint a couple different ways. One, measure and divide by 2, find the midpoint. You can use the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That formula is also in the back of your book. You can also find midpoint using constructions, okay? Where we found the 2 points, put this on one end point, this on the other end point, make the semicircle, make the semicircle, cut through, that finds a midpoint as well. You gotta use both. You've got to use 2 methods for each one. 2 methods for midpoint, 2 methods for distance formula. You're going to use those to answer this right here. Okay? There's 2 different problems on here. You decide which one you want to do. You get 1 partner. That's it. 1. All right? I got a great big map for you here as well. Okay? Great big huge map. Print off a couple extras as well. Okay? I'm sorry, you get up to 2 partners. My fault. Up to 2 partners. So you can have groups of 3. No, you cannot have a group of 4. If you want to have a group of 4, you split it up into 2 groups of 2. Anyway, this is the map you're going to use. You must solve the problem. You must finish everything, everything on here. Got everything listed on here that you need to show. Okay, make sure you follow this. If you want to make a poster board, that's great. Even today, a lot of great science is presented not in PowerPoints, but just in poster boards. That's the way it happens. If you want to do a poster board, that's fine. If you want to do a well-edited video, that's fine. If you want to do a PowerPoint, that's fine. If you want to do a report, that's fine too. But you've got to present the information to me in a logical manner. So the first day you're going to do most of your work. Second day you're going to talk with another group, see how they're solving it. By the end of the second day you should have most of your stuff completed. On the third day you should be cleaning up you should be writing your report. Okay? Presenting your solution in a neat and organized manner. The first 2 days, it's just going to be messy. Third day, that's when you start making it neat. All right? Then the fourth day, you're going to present it to another group. They're going to tell you one thing that they like and one thing that they think you need to improve on. After that, you will finish it and turn it in. Make sure you work hard on this. This is going to count as a project grade, which means it's going to count kind of like a test. So make sure you do really, really well on this. All right? Thanks a lot. See you soon.